What's going on, YouTube fam? It's your boy G Fresh back with another video. Hold up real quick. Let me close these blinds, man. The lighting. Get some better lighting in here. Still kind of sucks, but anyway, y'all. Came in the middle today, guys. These eye socks, man. Stand out, be eyed. Yeah. We came in the middle today, guys. So I already opened them up, so let's see what we got inside. Got two eye socks, man. Two pair of socks in here. Receipt and whatnot. Little receipt I got with them. Got a little receipt. Yeah. Here we go, y'all. Two pair of eye socks we got. First, we got the Codeine Crazy socks. These are Codeine Crazy socks right here. And these are the Shawn Michaels socks, man. The little WWE little belt. They just hold them together. But yeah, these are the two socks right here, guys. Shawn Michaels and the Codeine Crazy socks. These socks are dope. I had to get them. I got them for a pretty good deal. Yeah, these socks are pretty dope, man. These socks are dope. Yeah. Which one y'all like better? I don't know. It's hard to choose. They both dope, man. They both like, these things fire, bro. Shout out to Eye Socks, man. Shout out Eye Socks for the socks, man. I paid, how much I paid for these exactly, man? I paid $23.99 for them. I got like with 30% off. They were having a deal. So y'all got me a little, I got me a little deal on these socks. But yeah, they dope, man. These Eye Socks are lit, bro. These things crack, bro. Bro, they crazy, bro. For real, man. These socks are lit, dog. Straight up. Facts, man. Nothing but facts, bro. I suggest y'all get y'all a pair, man. Eye socks, man. Y'all get a pair. Make sure y'all check them out, man. Y'all go get a pair of these eye socks, man. But these are two